Hello guys, so today our topic is so let's start our video. First of all, please subscribe my channel and like this video if you want more videos like this. So let's go. So there is no officially available method on Roblox, but there are some ways to install Roblox in your Switch. So our first method is cloud gaming. You can go without downloading or installing Switch by NowGG website. So this is the website name NowGG. You can play on your browser. So our second method is installing Android OS on your Switch. You can install Android OS on your Switch and download Roblox on your Switch. So our third method is measuring your screen. So I don't think this method is good for you, but you can try this also. So these are three methods you can do for your Nintendo Switch. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe.